Hi, I'm Michelle, and today we're going to be discussing the methods you can use to start your very own LLC in Arizona. Here, we're going to be covering the steps involved in starting your LLC, the forms you need, the naming requirements, and how to actually register your Arizona LLC. We'll also be talking about two very important terms called registered agent and piercing the corporate veil. So do pay close attention to the video because you really don't want to miss out on the important information. Arizona is located in the western part of the nation with industries such as copper mining, cotton trading, fruits, tourism, and ranching. Arizona has become one of the most diverse economies in America. Starting an LLC in the state of Arizona is pretty easy and hassle-free. You can start off your Arizona LLC by three methods. Number one is that you can do it yourself, in which case you just need to fill out the forms online or you can send them off via mail. Number two is that you hire a professional service to do it for you, which is the most easy and secure method out there. We personally recommend ZenBusiness as one of the best and most affordable services for this purpose. Number three is that you can go ahead and hire an attorney. I'm really sure you're wondering about what exactly is an LLC. It's a pretty common question. An LLC is a hybrid business entity combining a corporation's characteristics with a partnership or sole proprietorship. It separates your personal assets from your business assets, and this gives you personal asset protection. Now, when you're starting off your LLC in Arizona, you mainly have to file your certificate of formation with the state and pay a filing fee of $50. With ZenBusiness, you get three plans: a starter plan, a pro plan, and a premium plan. It is perhaps the only formation service company that offers three important features in all of its plans. The starter plan has all the essential services required to form an LLC. It's very budget-friendly, and it starts at $0. However, you do have to pay the mandatory state filing fees. It's very cost-effective, and it offers all your essential services such as a registered agent and an operating agreement draft. Now, coming on to the Pro Plan, the Pro Plan offers some essential additional services along with all the main services offered in the Starter Plan. Also, in the Pro Plan, you get expedited filing process. In this plan, what are you getting? You're getting an advertising consultant, you're getting annual compliance services, and expedited filing. Now, the premium plan is perhaps the most costliest plan by ZenBusiness. The premium plan offers almost all the services related to the formation of an LLC, in addition to the services mentioned in the first two plans, which was the starter plan and the pro plan. It offers an expedited filing process, business website, a domain, and an email address. For this video, we're going to be discussing options number one and number two. We're going to be placing emphasis on why you need a professional service to do it for you, because you have to make sure that you're doing your LLC work correctly. This is one of those things where you can't afford missing key information or have any misunderstandings. ZenBusiness is a very competent and professional service which you can get because forming an LLC is not just filing the certificate of formation, but it's also deciding on a name, hiring a registered agent, having an operating agreement, and obtaining an EIN. All of these can be done super easily with ZenBusiness. I'll be leaving the links in the description below. You can go there and check them out. But for now, we're going to discuss in detail the 5 important steps that you must cover when you're forming your LLC. So now we're going to start a comprehensive, in-depth look into all of the steps. Number one is choosing your business name. Now, before you name your business, you must know that the name should be easy to remember, should be available in the state, and follows the LLC naming guidelines. You can go and find the naming guidelines at llcbuddy.com. Coming to the specific requirements that need to be followed when you're naming your company is number one, your business name should be available, and no other existing business in Arizona can share that name. Each business name is very much unique to its owner. Number two is that limited liability company or LLC should be there as a suffix in the company name. Number three is that you cannot use any name for your business that could be confusing or misleading. So terms like State Department, FBI, CIA, they cannot be included. Number four is that terms like bank, attorney, doctor, they can be added, but you need to fill out the additional requirements by the state government. If you do not wish to file your LLC right now, but you kind of want to hold on to the name that you decided, then you can reserve your name for 120 days. The filing for the name is costing around $45 for online submission and $10 by mail. The second and highly vital step to forming an LLC in the state of Arizona is to appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is an entity that's going to be working on your LLC's behalf. This person is going to be receiving all the important paperwork and all the official government correspondence within Arizona. This is why you need to hire a very competent registered agent. You also need to make sure that your registered agent is a resident of Arizona or at least has a physical street address over there. Their business address is used as the LLC's principal address within Arizona. Now, most LLC formation companies do also provide a registered agent service. ZenBusiness provides registered agent services as an add-on to their formation package, but also you can purchase them as a standalone service. A key thing to note when getting a registered agent is the importance of having one and having a legit one, because in case of any lawsuit or if you get sued, the lawyer of the other party is going to do what is known as piercing the corporate veil. Now, most people believe that they're setting up their LLCs for tax purposes, but the real reason for setting up an LLC is to limit your liability. So basically what it does is that it creates a divide between your personal assets and your business assets. So if you're sued in your business, they can't really go after your personal assets. When you're sued, the attorney who's the one suing you is going to start looking for little cracks in your LLC. And this is where they're going to pierce the corporate veil. The first thing that they're going to check is, do you have a registered agent? Is the agent legit? And have they been filing the paperwork correctly? The third and another important step in forming an LLC is to file the certificate of formation. The Arizona Articles of Organization, it is a legal document which is needed to officially register your business with the Secretary of State. It costs you $50 to file your formation certificate in Arizona, whether you file it by mail or if you go online. The certificate of formation includes details like the name of your LLC, your registered agent's name, employee details, and the structure of your company. Are you member managed? Are you manager managed? So before you start hiring employees in Arizona, you should really know about the rules and regulations thoroughly to avoid any issues. We suggest using ZenBusiness to file the certificate of formation because they provide an easier way to fill out the forms without any confusion or missing any steps. If you happen to get stuck anywhere, they have a great customer support system where you can go ask your questions and they're gonna respond to you. Coming to the fourth step, which is filing the operating agreement. An operating agreement is an internal document that legally outlines the proprietorship and the operating procedures of your LLC. This document is very much vital as it ensures that all the business owners are on the same page regarding how they're operating, their voting power, business dissolution, and a lot more. This actually helps reduce future conflicts. So when it comes to filing an Arizona LLC operating agreement, the state doesn't really require you to have a very comprehensive operating agreement. But it is ideal to have one that contains the details of your entire business operation. It's recommended that it should be done by using a professional service such as ZenBusiness, since they know exactly what to do and you won't have to worry about missing any detail. They provide this service as an add-on to your formation package for a very small fee. EIN is also known as the Employer Identification Number, is a 9-digit number which is given by the IRS to make it easier to identify the type of businesses for tax purposes and taxes in general. The EIN is necessary for any active business or any form of businesses for that matter. An EIN is needed when the LLC starts to hire employees. To obtain an EIN, one has to fill up a form which can be done online or by mail and just submit it to the IRS. You can also get it through ZenBusiness for a very small fee. I'm going to be leaving the links to all the resources in the description below. You can go there, you can check out which of the options fit your requirements. For now, I'm going to be showing you how you can file the forms using ZenBusiness. Now, this is the main page for ZenBusiness. You can type up your business name and you can have a search over there and you can start off your LLC. Now you can see right here that they have more of a chatbot system going on, not just plain filling out the forms. It's pretty interactive if you think about it. Pick out the state you want to start your business in. Now they're going to run a name check, see if it's available or not in the first place. Just enter your name here. They really just want to talk to you. That's why it's going to require your name over there. Do you have any prior business experience? Let them know if you're going to have any employees as well. Let them know if you want to have any physical location other than your home. So like if you're setting up a shop or you're going to be operating from home. Let them know what stage of business you're at. Let them know what your goals are. Is it a side business, primary income, or is it something new completely? Pick a category. Check if you want to save your progress or not. This one is going to take a bit of a time because they're just like calculating stuff, checking if their name is available or not, any prerequisites that they might require. Now, they're even recommending you get a registered agent, and I really recommend you do. Do you need an EIN and business documents? Like I said in the video, you really should go through that rather than going to the IRS website and possibly making any mistake that could cost you your filing entirely. This is where they're going to tell you all of their packages. They have the starter plan, the pro plan, and the premium plan. This is going to break it down for you. The pro plan is going to cost you $199 per year. It has its advantages. You can go through the full package detail as well. ZenBusiness Money Pro is an added feature which helps you manage your money and finances all in one place. Check if you want to get the expedited or rush filing. If you're in a hurry, you can go for it. If you're not and you can wait a couple of days, I recommend you do that. They also offer online tools like your custom website, domain name, privacy, email address. So if you're looking for that, you can add that on as well. Check if you want a customized operating agreement. Like I said earlier, it's better if you have one. Select if you want annual worry-free compliance. It's really up to you. It's basically them handling your annual taxes. Fill out your information here that they require, name and suffix, whatever they need, email and number. Review your order, see if you have anything you want to check or if you want to include anything or take away anything, and then you can just continue to payment, and that's all you need to set up your LLC with ZenBusiness. Now that you've created your Arizona LLC, there's still a few things that you're going to need. You need to get a company business bank account and a business credit card. You need to file the Arizona permits and licenses. You need to get general liability insurance and professional liability insurance, which is going to cover your employees. And you need to file the Arizona LLC annual report every single year. I really hope you enjoyed this comprehensive video on how to start your LLC in Arizona. And I wish you the best of luck if you're starting off your business there. Please continue supporting our channel by liking the video, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the notification button. Thank you for watching.